Hello everyone, it's Michelle again, and I'm doing another review, or this is an unboxing. This is also a blind buy, but hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Well, how do I start this thing? Okay, let me start over. Hi everyone, it's Michelle here to review one more perfume that I'm gonna add to my collection. And yeah, that's a better start, right? Yeah, that's a better start. That's how you do it. It's called, I got it during the Macy's sale, and it's a blind buy, but it was a good price. And I don't like to do blind buys anymore because sometimes you get disappointed. Just like this is another perfume. Check out my other video I just did. I just did 2 reviews, but this one, let's focus. It's Steve Madden Goldie perfume. It's 3.4 ounces, and I thought it was so cute because it's a heart. So let me open it. And I hope it smells good because it was on sale. And it's no longer available in Macy's. I'm looking at it right now because I wanted to get the notes, and it's no longer there. So there you go. Got it for like $60-something. Oh wow, it does look just like the picture. I wonder if it can. Oh, it can stand. It does. It can stand on its own. It's so cute. It is so cute. I hope it smells good. Oh no! Is this supposed to happen? Wait, let me go online. Is it supposed to have all these dents? Let me tell you something. Let me show you how it came, and I didn't like how it came. It came like this. And I just got it this week. It took a long time for me to get it. This is how it came. And it was open. Anyway, so yeah, this is how I got it. It was half open. It has dents on it. It has 1, 2, but I'm looking online, and it looks like it has a dent on the top. Is that how it's supposed to come? This looks like a natural indent, but these look, I don't know. So this is how it opens. It didn't come with much cushion besides what's in here. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see how it smells. That's disappointing. I don't. Let's smell it. It smells. Okay, let me get the notes. So it says the top note is gardenia petals, the middle note is sparkling sandalwood, and the base is patchouli. The base is patchouli. I don't know how I like. See, this is why I don't like to blind buy stuff. It smells okay. I wish it had vanilla in it though. Does it? All right, let me go to the actual website because this is Macy's website, and it's only giving me 3 notes, and it can't be just 3 notes. So let me go on their website. Hold on. Okay, so I did go on the website, and the full top note is, Italian bergamot, golden pear, violet leaves, middle note jasmine, gardenia petals, marigold. On the, I guess it says the dry down, I guess is the base, sandalwood, opure, amberwood, and soft musk. And I'm looking on the perfume. It does online. It does have this. I thought this was because of how they shipped it to me. I thought this is how they ship it to me, and maybe that's why it has the dents on it. So that's why I am doing that. I thought that's why I had to go online and see, does it really have the dents? So I'm looking online and I'm seeing that I'm looking online. Hold on, I have people talking in the background. So I have okay. Let me quickly finish this up. So these aren't dents, that's how it came. But it's very cute. It sits like this, because I see this looks the base. It needs vanilla. It smells nice, almost masculine-ish for me. I'm gonna put it on my skin. Maybe it will be different. Put it on my skin. It's softer on my skin, but I like it. I love the packaging. It's very cute, and so that's it. It's gonna be a keeper because I'm not returning it. I'd like to see how long it lasts. Online for Goldie fragrance, it was like $78, but I got it for probably 50 something or a little bit more than that on the Macy's sale. Let me see how much I got it for. Hopefully it's still there, because apparently it's not even sold anymore. Let me see. For my order. Oh yeah, I got it for $66 for 3.4 ounces. But it will be used. You may have to mix it up with something. But that's it. This is the size of it in my hand. You hold it like this, and the dents are, it's just me. I thought it was damaged because of how the packaging came. So that's my review. All right, bye. Well, that's my review and unboxing. Bye. See you in the next one.